A warm welcome to everyone. In today's video lecture series, I am here to present on a real-time case study on structural failure due to improper maintenance. The major reason for failure of various structure involves improper maintenance of the structure. So in this presentation, I am here to present on a real-time case study of a structure which is failed due to improper maintenance, poor inspection and lack of timely repairs. The case study involves the study of Gokale bridge collapse in Mumbai during the year 2018. The bridge is located at Andheri in Mumbai. The structure is a pedestrian and road over bridge. The incident occurred on July 3rd, 2018, and the nature of failure is partial collapse of a walkway slab due to corroded steel and neglected repair. So, this is an alarming situation where the structure is collapsed due to corroded steel. Corroded steel may be due to various environmental factors since it is this area is exposed to marine environment. There may be corrosion existing in the steel due to chloride and sulfate attack, which may be the major reason for failure of the slab. The causes of failure involves the major reasons which is listed below. A severe corrosion of steel environment or say steel reinforcement of the slab. Next is deterioration of concrete due to water seepage. Since there may be presence of micro cracks in the concrete surface, the water seeps into the concrete surface which enters the reinforcement, thereby leading to the corrosion of reinforcement. This may be due to improper inspection strategies and poor quality checks involved during the process of construction and also delayed repair works. So, if we point out any cracks in the building, it should be affected for immediate repair. Otherwise, there may be reasons of seepage of water into the that is propagating into the cracks, which may lead to the reinforcement corrosion. So, if the corrosion is inhibited, the strength of reinforcement is greatly reduced and thereby it is less prone to withstand the intended loading of the structure as per design. So the load carrying capacity of the structure is greatly reduced due to reinforcement corrosion. Another reason would be lack of preventive maintenance policy. Preventive maintenance is a kind of maintenance which prevents earlier damage of the structure. Once the defect is noted, the structure might be repaired so that there won't be any further damage due to seepage of the water. The next reason of failure is found to be overloading beyond the design limits in some areas. Before failure, there were several warning signs which is ignored. That is presence of visible cracks and rust stains observed at the outer surface of the structure. The various complaints by commuters about vibrations and loosened slabs were frequent, and the authorities ignored the warning issued by the commuters. Instead of structural strengthening, only minor repair works were carried out in this structure, which may also be the major reason for failure of the structure. Another point is there is no load testing or structural audit done in the preceding years. The withstanding capacity of the structure is not ascertained by conducting load tests. The lessons learned from this case study is regular structural audit should be incorporated in order to find out the major reason for failure and also to improve the structure, thereby preventing collapse or failure or structural damage. Next, the need for documentation and timely intervention in the form of quality checks and quality audits. It also imbibes on the fact that the various government policies should be enforced mandatorily in order to maintain the structure, thereby preventing future damage. Public safety should be prioritized through risk-based inspections. Various recommendations in this building are the following aspects should be incorporated. They are scheduled periodic inspections and maintenance. We should adopt digital monitoring systems such as sensors, IoT devices in order to ascertain the rate of corrosion and the presence of micro cracks, shrinkage, etc., so that the building can be prevented from inherent damage. The construction team should be trained for conducting various maintenance procedures on the event of early signs of distress of building. We should allocate budget for preventive maintenance of any structure which may prevent the damage to the structure and various components of the building, and also ensures public safety. It should encourage the public reporting of visible damages or distress present at the earliest stage of construction. The conclusion is we should not ignore or neglect the structural maintenance, that is the routine maintenance, which may lead to the catastrophic failures. It is essential to develop a culture of proactive inspection, quality audits, monitoring, and timely repairs to ensure public safety and infrastructure sustainability. Thank you everyone for listening to this video. Hope this video creates an awareness among the public